Best area in town. We're here before. Look at that. Nandyan kami sa baba, guys, dati. Yan, dyan kami, guys, and the Parliament building is right across. Okay? So, yes. Lagi namin nandyan yung Parliament building, guys.
Hindi rin naman kalibalim eh.
Ambot lang. So, since nandito kami last year, hindi na namin bisitahin ang Parliament building. Daan lang kami. Thank you. Kanindot sa among view nga karon oy. Oh, guys, nindot kayo, turista kayo me. Turista kayo diri. Hindi magyumi taga diri, guys. We're from Alberta. Pero hindi namin kaya ang city life. Where is the Lululemon? Oh, okay. Don't worry. Hindi namin kaya ang city life, guys. Kasi masyadong busy dito. Busy. Ano ta dire? Hindi kayang view dire, guys. Pero siguro visit lang din. Hindi ko matabang dire in the clip. Abot lang sa mga young ones. Hindi na ako kaya. The cost of living, yes, it's so expensive. We've been here, Andy. Look at that, the beautiful flowers. Yoo-hoo! Ang daming taong nag-walk, guys. Diba? Busy kayo diri. Oh my God, the Empress Hotel. Look at that. Oh my God. And the Parliament building is there.
Turn right onto Belleville Street.
Turn down. Parliament building. Claro, guys.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Oswego Street.
Ano na flag is waving. Uy,
Minsan saan eh.
cruise ship.
Buwan na lang eh.
Ang parking,
Masyado na rin.
ang parking kasi.
Parking na lang per oras. Doha. Magpa-picture.
Uy, di man atungan yun sila unya. Cruise ship, guys. No? Ferry ba yan, Papa, o cruise ship?
Cruise ship. Ano marap ka ng ano ship?
Ano sa maday na?
Ha?
Ay, ferry ra day na.